Hey guys, thanks for joining me for another episode. In this episode, we're going to talk about seamless gutters versus the older traditional gutters with seams in them. What are the advantages of having seamless gutters, and do we recommend seamless gutters over the traditional gutters? Subscribe to the channel, hit the little bell notification, get notified every time that I post a video. Don't forget to like and share the video, guys. The reason why I'm making this video is because most DIYers are going to purchase traditional gutters, meaning they're going to purchase them at Home Depot or Lowe's. And they're going to do a DIY installation with the not recommended material. You really don't want to use the traditional gutters that you're going to get at your local hardware stores. The reason why you're not going to want to use that type of gutter is because that type of gutter really isn't the type of gutter that's professional. It's not a type of gutter that's really going to last. If you're going to do a DIY, you're going to want to do the installation right the first time. And what I mean by that, you're going to want to use seamless gutters, not the traditional gutters that you'd find at your local hardware stores. Seamless gutters, they're seamless and they're much easier to install. If you got a 20-footer, you go to Home Depot, you get them in 10-foot sections, or Lowe's, you get them in 10-foot sections. The aluminum is paper thin. It's a low gloss paint finish on there. It's not really a finish that's made to last. And the fact that you would have a seam in that. So you're gonna have to hang one, you're gonna have to hang another, seam it together, and then hopefully that seam doesn't leak. Now what I mean by it being easier, click above on how to professionally install gutters. I show you exactly where to get the material at to install that type of system, okay? And the biggest advantages is there's no seams and it's actually easier to install. And I tell you guys, when you install the right type of gutter, you will know the difference. Just getting the material, just holding the material, you're gonna be like, okay, I understand what this guy's saying here. The material is night and day difference. It's a super high gloss white paint, or whether it's a color or not, it's going to have a 5-star finish on it. It's a lot heavier of a gauge of material. It's material that's going to last. And you don't got seams you got to join. 20-footer, you run a 20-footer out, and bam, you hang the 20-footer up. Now, I know you're thinking, well, I don't have a seamless gutter machine. Don't worry about that, guys. Click the link right here, and I show you exactly how to install it and where to get the material to do a gutter installation professionally. Guys, if you like what you see, subscribe to the channel, hit the little bell notification, get notified every time that I post a video. Don't forget to like and share the video, guys. Thanks a lot.